Money, guys. Money is so evil that as I'm holding it in my hand, I'm being possessed by its evil power. It's so evil that you watching this video is controlling you right now. The money right here in my hand, it's about to make me do something really evil, guys. Oh no, I think I might just go, I don't know, kill somebody, or maybe rape somebody, or I don't know, backstab my friend for money, right? Because it's this piece of paper right here that's making me do it. It's making me be evil. It's gonna make me the most evilest person in this entire world as we speak, guys. I can feel its evil power within me just surging. Welcome back to the channel, guys. And yes, guys, you heard it right. According to a lot of people, money is evil. That it's so evil that it has no sense of goodness in it whatsoever. So many people say that it's so evil that it's the reason that people kill. It's the reason people, divorce, cheat on their husband, wives. It's the reason people rape people or something. Like, money is making you do all this, right? That's why it's so evil. Am I correct? Hey, money, stay away from me. I don't want your evilness within me no more. Gone. The hell? Did this guy just really throw money? Huh. This guy's a lunatic or something. Guys, come on. Let's be realistic here. Money isn't evil. Money doesn't make you do anything. And it's really stupid that people honestly think like this, okay? That money is evil, like just so evil. That a piece of paper can be so evil, right? That it basically does no good whatsoever to this world. Honestly, it's really sad that people think like this because it's just a piece of paper, guys. It's not the money that's making you do anything, guys. A killer will kill with or without money. A rapist will rape with or without money. A person will cheat on her spouse with or without money, guys, okay? It's not the money that's evil, guys. It's just the people, it's the person that's evil, regardless of money or not. Now, obviously, if you give an evil person more money, they're bound to do more evil with it. But if you give a good person money, they're bound to do more good with it, okay? Good people with money, they donate, they give out to charities, give out to food banks or whatever. They give back with their money. Evil people, they like to use their money for evil deeds, like hiring hitmen to kill people or something like that, just something crazy. Running drug cartels or something like that. So guys, please don't assume that just because you hear that money is the root of all evil, that it's true. It's not. More like the love of money, I guess you could say, or the lack of money, better yet. Because when some people lack money, they're bound to do more bad things, I guess, but regardless, they're bound to do that with or without money, right? So please don't assume that because money is bad, and we hear this a lot from people everywhere, even sometimes our own parents, that money is bad, it's evil. And since they tell us these things since little kids, it sticks to us mentally, right? And as we grow older, we don't want to gain too much money because we were raised to believe that money was used for evil, that it's bad or evil to have too much money. And again, raising up like this, you're bound to not pursue that much money that you really want. And this is one of the reasons that's going to stop you from ever becoming rich in your life. So again, guys, it's not the money that's evil. It's the person that's evil, not the money. Nah, I'm not trying to get all religious or anything like that in this video with this, okay? Save that for somewhere else. I'm not here to preach to anybody about anything like that or anything. I'm just trying to make a point that money is not evil, guys, okay? It's not. So hopefully you guys learned a thing or two from this video. Hopefully open your eyes, better yet your mind, into knowing that it's not money that's evil, okay, guys? I know I have to repeat this a lot of times, but just to make more sense to you guys, I am, for the sake of this video. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. As always, if you like this video, guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. But as always, be sure to leave me a comment down below, guys. Let me know what you guys think. And please, if you're gonna say that money is evil down in the comment section down there, at least make a rational argument, please. Don't just say something dumb that it's evil just because it's evil, okay? Please. But as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscription button down there, guys, so you stay notified of more videos exactly like this. Then again, if you subscribe to this channel, it just might turn you evil, right? maybe I would think twice about subscribing. But who knows? Maybe subscribing won't turn you evil. Maybe it will. Only way to find out is to just hit subscribe, right? Later, guys.